Hi, we're Darby and Ro, and Cosmo. We're currently travelling Australia in our self-converted van. We upload videos every week about our travels and the ups and downs of living in a van. This is what we got up to this week. I've heard a lot about Zarraffa's coffee, so I'm trying one for the first time today. This is a white chocolate mocha with whipped cream. Oh, of course he would. Good one. Anyway, it's pretty good. Okay, bye. This girl I watch on YouTube, Georgia Richards, has been absolutely raving about Colleen Hoover books, so I've been influenced and I went and bought one from Kmart today. It's called All Your Perfects. So yeah, I'm gonna try and start getting into reading again. We're currently up at this Mount Stewart lookout, and we're assuming teenagers, has just like put maple syrup or honey or something sticky along all the poles, across all the ground, all this seating here. So it's all just one big sticky mess. But the view's great. I just finished this book. Tears are still in my eyes. Such a good book. I haven't read a book from start to finish in probably like 10 years, and I'm so glad I got back into it with this one, because now I want to read her next one. It's called like The 7 Husbands of Evelyn or something. Evelyn Hugo maybe. But yeah, highly recommend this book. It is very cheesy, but highly recommend. Cosmo's just sitting on me, waiting for Rowan to come back from the laundromat. Aren't you, bud? In 6 days, he's gonna be 10 months old. My baby is no longer a baby. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do with you? So I bought another Colleen Hoover book. This is very unlike me, because I haven't read a book in probably like 10 years, and now I'm reading 2 within the space of a week. And the other one's this one. Don't mind the mess. We're trying to figure out where to put everything, because as usual we have no space at all in the van. Anyway, I'm excited for the book. I just finished this one. Absolute emotional roller coaster, but it was great. Loved it. And now this one is meant to be really good, because this was like a bestseller. So yeah, I love this bit down here. You'll be smiling through your tears. So I'm really excited to get all emotional with this one. It's currently nighttime. We're sitting at a truck stop. Nothing too glamorous tonight. We went to Zarraffa's again this morning, and I got myself a lovely little non-coffee drink. It was a cream chocolate fusion, something like that. You don't want the cream chocolate fusion. And we accidentally got two piccolos with one shot instead of a double piccolo because old mate at the cash register didn't know what he was doing, and I didn't want to inconvenience the barista, so I just took them. I can highly recommend this drink if you don't like coffee. My video. Do you have any wise words?
Don't fly a drone through a van when it's windy.
Currently sitting in the van with the back doors open at Flagstaff Hill in Bowen, Queensland. So I say so.